I'm back, guys. I'm back. Just that quick. But what is up, you guys? It's your girl, ARIE B, and I am back with another video.
See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
Okay, you guys, so I'm back with another hair review. I realized that I have a lot of companies to make videos for, so why not just get them out the way now and upload them whenever I feel like it. Nah, not whenever I feel like it, but whenever I have like a certain schedule. Like, I don't like uploading what I did before in this blue mine, but I don't like uploading hair reviews back to back to back to back to back. The only way I'm doing that is if like I have a lot of videos to get out. But if I don't, I make videos in between. I'll just upload these in private. Do you guys even care? No, I know you guys don't. But yes, I am back with Luvme hair. Now you guys know in my previous video I was just talking about a full lace. I've worked with Luvme hair before, and they sent me my first ever like full lace wig. Yo, they sent me my first ever full lace wig, y'all. I still have the wig, haven't worn it yet, haven't installed it yet. That's the same thing. But because, like I told you guys before, I don't know how to install a full lace by myself. Like, I know what to do. I feel like I got this. I got this. You know what, y'all? We go do that video one day because I got this. I don't need to go to nobody. I don't need to watch videos because you guys, listen, we go get this done together. We go learn to do this together. Mistakes and all, nobody is perfect. I don't care. You guys are going to see everything. But today I'm back with Luvme hair once again, and this is not a full lace wig, which I don't mind because I'm already satisfied with the one I have. But when you open your package, you get a little note, and it says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme hair." Thank you, Helena. And you have your hair in a bag, which you guys know I love these little bags because, like I said, it's great for storage when you don't wear your wigs anymore. You get caps. Now I have 4 in total. Yeah, I just had 0. Now I have 4. You see how God just double everything? So, ooh, hold on. Oh my God, I had to put everything down. Ah, I hate glitter. I'm not girly, but but yo, these lashes, baby. Baby, 3D mink lashes, baby, oh my God. First of all, I think I like the case more than, honestly, yeah, I'm looking at the case more than I'm looking at the lashes because this case is so cute. But okay, back to unboxing. You get a bag. You guys know I received this bag before, and I believe it's a comb in here. It's a comb, an adjustable band. You guys, what am I supposed to do with this band? I'm going to need something a little bigger than this. My head may look small, but it's not. It's not, y'all. It's not small. Let me see. Oh, no, y'all right. Y'all right. Y'all measure. Oh, y'all right. Y'all perfect. All right, my fault. Y'all know my head more than I do. I get the hair wax, right? This is hair wax, right? Yes, I got this before. Did I ever use it? I think I used it one time in the video. And I get 2 clips, some hairpins, and tweezers. Y'all, at this point, this is like my 3rd pair of tweezers. I can't even run out of tweezers now because companies just keep blessing me with goodies that I actually use. And combs. Like, you guys, I have so much combs, it's ridiculous. Okay. Now, there's one more thing in this box that I am truly excited for. You guys should know what it is. Like, I know this video is about the hair, but this is about this thing too, because this is like really trending right now, and I just recently told my sister or my cousin, one of them, that I wanted to get one of these clips because like it's trending and it looks so cute. I just told you guys what it was. It looks so cute in people's hair, and I feel like it would look fire in mine. And I received a Luvme pen. You guys, this pen is so wavy. Oh my God. What? Who's telling me what? And I look cute with it, even though it looks retarded. Like, it's in a wrong position. I am going to be rocking this pin in my hair. Like, when I found out how to wear it. But no, I'm really going to be rocking this pin in my hair. I think it goes this way. I'm going to go with this way. I like this way better. Baby, don't cheat. I like this pin, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get to the hair, because the video is about the hair, and I've been babbling about everything else but the hair. So, I kind of don't remember what I talked to too many companies. I don't be remembering what I asked for or what they offer. But I know this is 18 inches because I see 18 on it. So I'm going to take my hair out. And it's looking like, to me, this is a light brown color. Baby. So, let's take the hair out and see what this wig is about. I see an adjustable band in there. Hold on. Okay. Smells like shampoo. I love the way this wig smells. Oh my god, I never had a wig that smells. Wait, okay, I'm confused now. Okay, maybe I'll cut this out, right? I'll cut this out. Clearly, Ariel, you cut it out. But ooh, okay. First things first. No company has ever installed this type of band in a video. No company. I mean on a wig. No company has ever installed these types of band. Like, I rather these bands I rather these bands because, like, they're thinner and they're skinnier. They're not big, bulky. It's not noticeable, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully it's put in the right area where I cut out my hair, so it won't be a problem. But it also already has the adjustable band in there. And I am going to cut this out because I don't want this to be in the way. But it looks like your girl got a 13 by 6, baby. This is a 13 by 6. It's a middle part. Well, you can do any part with this. They just have it as the middle part. Oh, they actually give you a frontal's worth, y'all. You actually get your frontal's worth. Like, look at this frontal. This is what you call a frontal. Like, you actually get your frontal's worth. And this hair is an oh, wait. This hair is curled. Baby, this hair is curled. I thought I was bugging. They curled the hair for me because they know I can't curl hair. Yo, Luvme hair is, like, really looking out for me right now. They know I can't curl hair, so they went ahead and curled the hair for me. I'm jacking it. But nah, this hair is mad soft, y'all. And it's layered. Y'all, they layered the hair for me. So now when I put it on, come on. Y'all know I'm about to rock this. And I love this color. It's not too dark and it's not too light. This is like the perfect honey blonde going into like a darker brown, if you guys can see it. It's like honey blonde going into a dark brown, and it's like also honey highlight. So I'm jacking this hair. I really like this hair. This is different. Yeah, this is really different. Oh yeah, this hair is like, oh my god, this hair is so many different colors. It's like 1B going into 4 and also a little bit of 27 in here. And no, this is 1B going into, yeah, I feel like this is 1B going into 4. You got a little bit of 27 in here. This hair is fire. These curls, though, is popping. Oh, my God. Let me look up this hair to see exactly what they sent. My braces is cutting out my mouth. But this is a chestnut brown color, 13 by 4 lace wig, 180 density. My fault. I thought it was a 13 by 6. I believe this is a 13 by 6. Like I said, I feel like I've been getting cheated by a lot of companies where I don't get the full 13 by 4. They give me like this little bit. Even with this wig. For instance, this wig. Not to talk bad about this wig, but this wig, the frontal stops right here. What is that? That's not a frontal. That's not a frontal. But yeah. So yeah, the details of this hair will be down below. And I'm really jacking this wig. It even looks nice on a girl. It looks mad nice on a girl. So, yeah, I'm really jacking this wig. This is 18 inches, 180 density, chestnut brown color wig. Like I said, I feel like it's 1B going into 4. You got a little bit of 27 in here. And, yeah, and it got curls. And they layered it for you guys. all you really have to do is just bleach. The plucking is good. I'm going to go in and do more plucking, of course, but overall, this hair is good. Luvme hair didn't disappoint me. And I believe I asked for a small cap this time. So this wig is going to fit the way it needs to. But enough for this video. Did I start whispering? I feel like I started whispering. But enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. On the road to 40K. Let's get it. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.